10 most aggressive animals in the world. Are you ready for a heart-pumping, adrenaline-fueled adventure? Do you have what it takes to face the world's most aggressive animals? Well, hold on to your hats, because today we're diving headfirst into the world of the 10 most aggressive animals. From tiny terrors to massive predators, these animals will make your hair stand on end. So buckle up and get ready to experience the wild side of nature. Sun bear. Kicking off our list at number 10 is an animal that might surprise you. It may be small, but don't let its size fool you. It's the sun bear, and it's not to be underestimated. These ferocious little creatures are found in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. And while they may look cute and cuddly, they're actually one of the most aggressive animals in the world. They have powerful jaws and sharp claws, which they use to defend their territory against predators and other bears. And here's a fun fact for you. Sun bears are the smallest of all bear species, but what they lack in size, they make up for in ferocity. They'll attack anything that they perceive as a threat, including humans. In fact, sun bears have been known to attack and kill humans who encroach on their territory. So if you ever come across a sun bear in the wild, it's best to keep your distance. These little guys may be small, but they're definitely not to be messed with. Horsefly. Buckle up, folks, because we're moving on to an animal that's not only aggressive, but also incredibly annoying. It's the horsefly, and trust us, you do not want to mess with this buzzing beast. Horseflies are found all over the world, and they're known for their painful bites. But what makes them so aggressive? Well, for one thing, they're attracted to large mammals, like horses and crows, and will stop at nothing to get a taste of their blood. And here's something that might give you nightmares. A horsefly's mouth parts are designed to slice through skin like a knife. That's right, these tiny terrors have razor-sharp mandibles that can easily penetrate even thick animal hides. And it's not just horses and cows that are at risk. Humans are also on the menu. Horseflies have been known to attack and bite humans, leaving behind painful welts, and sometimes even transmitting diseases. Next time you're out in the countryside and you hear that familiar buzzing sound, be on high alert, because if a horsefly lands on you, it's going to be a painful and unpleasant experience. Up next, we're moving from the skies to the ground, where we'll meet an animal that's been around since the time of the dinosaurs, the horned frog. You might think that frogs are cute, harmless creatures that hop around and catch flies with their tongues. But when it comes to the horned frog, think again. Horned frogs, also known as Pac-Man frogs, are native to South America and get their name from the horn-like projections on their heads. But don't let their goofy appearance fool you. These frogs will attack anything that moves. In the wild, horned frogs feed on insects, small mammals, and even other frogs. And they have a unique hunting technique. They lie in wait, camouflaged in the leaf litter, and pounce on their prey with lightning-fast reflexes. And here's where things get really interesting. A horned frog's mouth is so powerful that it can crush prey almost as big as itself. That's right, these little guys have jaws that are capable of delivering bone-crushing bites. But perhaps the most fascinating thing about horned frogs is their ability to change color. They can blend in with their surroundings to avoid predators or attract prey. The barracuda. Now, if you think the ocean is a peaceful and tranquil place, you haven't met our next aggressive animal, the barracuda. These sleek predators are found in warm, shallow waters all over the world, and they're not to be underestimated. Barracudas are known for their lightning-fast speed and razor-sharp teeth. They can grow up to 6 feet long and can swim at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. And those teeth, they're not just for show. Barracudas use them to slice through their prey with incredible force, making them one of the ocean's most feared predators. But that's not it. Barracudas have incredibly sharp vision. They can spot their prey from far away and are able to track it with incredible precision. Their sleek bodies and silvery scales even allow them to disappear into the water, making them almost invisible to their prey. Isn't that truly fascinating? And here's something else that might surprise you. Barracudas have been known to attack humans. While they usually avoid us, they've been known to mistake us for prey, especially if we're swimming near their territory. The wandering spider. Let's take a trip to the lush rainforests of Brazil, where we'll meet an animal that's both stunning and deadly, the Brazilian wandering spider. This 8-legged creature is not your typical harmless spider you find in your home. In fact, it's considered one of the most venomous spiders in the world. The Brazilian wandering spider gets its name for its habit of wandering around the forest floor at night in search of prey. And while its venom can be fatal to humans, it's actually used as a defense mechanism to stun and subdue its prey. These spiders have enormous fangs that can deliver a potent dose of venom. And what's more, they can also deliver multiple bites in quick succession. But what makes the Brazilian wandering spider truly unique is its ability to raise its body and lift its legs in a warning display when threatened. It's almost as if the spider is saying, "Back off, I'm not to be messed with." The Brazilian wandering spider is not only dangerous but also stunningly beautiful. Its body is covered in striking patterns and colors that make it a marvel to behold. The Cape buffalo. The African savannas are home to some of the most fearsome animals on the planet, and the Cape buffalo is definitely one of them. This massive beast is known for its unpredictable and aggressive behavior, making it a force to be reckoned with. The Cape buffalo is an herbivore that can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and stand up to 6 feet tall at the shoulder. They are social animals and can be found in herds of up to 500 individuals, making them one of the largest land mammals in Africa. Despite being herbivorous, it is one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They have a reputation for attacking humans and other animals that they perceive as a threat. In fact, they're responsible for killing more hunters on the continent than any other animal. They're so fierce that even lions, one of the most skilled predators on the savanna, think twice before attacking them. One of the Cape buffalo's most fearsome weapons is its horns, which can grow up to 5 feet in length. They use their horns to defend themselves and their herd from predators. The cassowary. This bird might look like something out of a prehistoric era, but don't let its quirky appearance fool you. The cassowary is a flightless bird that's native to the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea. It stands at over 6 feet tall and can weigh up to 130 pounds, making it one of the largest birds in the world. And with its striking blue and black feathers and distinctive helmet-like crest, it's definitely one of the most unique-looking birds around. The cassowary is even a master of self-defense. It has powerful legs with razor-sharp claws that can tear apart its enemies in seconds. And if that's not enough, its head that can deliver devastating blows to anyone who gets in its way. But what really sets the cassowary apart from other birds is its incredible speed and agility. It can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and jump up to 5 feet in the air. That means if you happen to cross paths with a cassowary in the wild, you better be prepared to run. Despite their aggressive nature, cassowaries play an important role in their ecosystem, helping to spread seeds and maintain the health of the rainforest. The mighty hippopotamus. A seemingly gentle giant that is actually one of the most aggressive animals on Earth. These herbivores may look docile and lazy, but they're territorial and fiercely defend their space. Hippos can weigh up to 4,000 pounds and have powerful jaws that can crush bones with ease. They're also incredibly fast and can run up to 20 miles per hour on land despite their size. It's best to give them a wide berth and not disturb them, as they can charge without warning. Despite being herbivores, hippos are also known to attack boats and humans who venture too close to their water territories. They are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal, including lions and crocodiles. In fact, hippos are so aggressive that they have been known to attack and kill each other during territorial disputes. They also engage in mock charges and aggressive displays to intimidate rivals and potential predators. The black mamba. When it comes to deadly snakes, the black mamba is at the top of the list. Found throughout sub-Saharan Africa, this sleek and incredibly fast serpent is known for its aggressive behavior and venomous bite. The black mamba is not only one of the fastest snakes in the world, but it's also one of the longest, measuring up to 4.5 meters in length. Whoa! Its venom is highly toxic, and a single bite can be fatal to humans within as little as 20 minutes. It attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. It's not surprising that the black mamba has earned a reputation as one of the most feared and deadly snakes on the planet. Despite its fearsome reputation, the black mamba is actually quite reclusive and prefers to avoid humans. It typically only attacks if it feels threatened or cornered. However, when it does attack, it strikes repeatedly, injecting large amounts of venom with each bite. This is why it's important to give black mambas plenty of space and avoid disturbing them in their natural habitat. While the black mamba is certainly a dangerous animal, it's also a fascinating one. Last but certainly not least, Nile crocodile. These massive reptiles can grow up to 20 feet in length and weigh over 1,000 pounds, making them one of the largest reptiles in the world. Their powerful jaws are filled with sharp teeth that can easily crush bones and tear flesh, which they use to catch and devour prey such as fish, birds, and mammals. Nile crocodiles are highly territorial and will aggressively defend their territory against any perceived threats. They've been known to attack humans who venture too close to their territory, making them one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. In fact, it is estimated that they're responsible for hundreds of human deaths each year. Despite their size, Nile crocodiles can move quickly and quietly through the water, performing the death roll when hunting. If you ever find yourself in the vicinity of a Nile crocodile, it's best to give it a wide berth. These reptiles are not to be messed with. And that concludes our list of the top 10 most aggressive animals in the world. From the mighty hippopotamus to the deadly black mamba, these creatures certainly demand respect and caution when encountered. So which of these animals surprised you the most? And have you ever encountered any of them in the wild? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal content.